For this recipe, we will need a whole chicken, which we will make small perforations in the chicken, with the help of a knife, like this. After perforating, we will add the juice of 1 lemon. The lemon will serve to season our chicken and make it taste delicious. We will also add 4 cloves of minced garlic. We'll add a spoonful of paprika. And salt to taste. We will spread the seasonings well so that they stick to the chicken. After we have seasoned the chicken very well, let's stuff it. Here we'll add bacon, this way. After we have stuffed all of our chicken, we're going to move it to a baking pan. We're going to be using some olive oil. Spread all the olive oil well in the baking pan. Take advantage and tell me from which city you are watching this recipe. Now, let's add potatoes. I'm using in this recipe 2 cut potatoes. We also add a touch of oregano. And we put our chicken in the baking pan. Let's accommodate it that way. Now let's put the rest of the seasoning that's left over. And lastly, add melted butter. Now, let's take it to the oven at 180 degrees for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, our chicken is ready. I'm going to cut a piece to show you how it turned out. And look how delicious it was. I really hope you have enjoyed today's recipe.